Hello everyone, and welcome to my Roblox scripting series where I teach you how to script on Roblox. In this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about colors. So colors are fundamentally represented by color 3 values. Color 3 values look a lot like vector 3's, except that their functionality deals with color instead of 3D parts. To make a new color 3 value, you use the .new constructor with color 3. This function takes in 3 numerical arguments between 0 and 1. The first argument is how much red is in the color, the second is how much green is in it, and the third is how much blue is in it. If you want the range to be from 0 to 255 instead of from 0 to 1, you use the .from RGB function. If you want to create a color value from hue, saturation, and value, you use the .from HSV function, which takes in 3 numerical values that represent the hue, saturation, and value. And if you want to create a color from the hexadecimal format, you can also do that using the from hex function, which takes a string of the hexadecimal formatted color. Now you can get the red, green, and blue component values by accessing the R, G, and B properties. And color 3 has 3 methods: lerp, to HSV, and to hex. Lerp, just like vector 3 and C-frame, allows you to linearly interpolate between 2 colors. This is useful if you want to smoothly transition between colors, or you want to find a color that is a mix of the 2 colors. 2HSV is a function that takes a color 3 value and returns 3 numbers representing the hue, saturation, and the value of that color. 2hex is a function that takes a color 3 value and returns a string representing the hexadecimal string value of that color. That's all for color 3, but there is also another data type that deals with colors, which is called the BrickColor. If you look in the Properties tab once you select a part, you can see that there are 2 options for colors. One is the BrickColor and one is a color 3. The BrickColor is the one where the color has a name, while the color 3 is the color property with 3 numerical values between 0 and 255. BrickColor values have a preset list of colors for you that you can type in its .new function as a string. If I want something red, I can just put in a string with red and it will give me a variety of color options that are red. Another version of the .new function allows you to put in a number representing that BrickColor's numerical index. The function will return the corresponding BrickColor with that index. You can get a BrickColor just like a color 3 by inputting 3 numerical values from 0 to 255. BrickColor.random returns a random BrickColor, and then there are constants that allow you to get certain main colors right away. BrickColor.white gives you white, BrickColor.red gives you red, blue, green, yellow, gray, dark gray, and black. Just like color 3's, each BrickColor value has an R, G, and B property, but BrickColors have more. You can access the numerical index of the BrickColor by using the .number property. You can access the associated color 3 value of a BrickColor by using the color property. You can also access the name of the BrickColor value by using the name property. Color 3 is not the same as BrickColor, but they are related. It is important that you notice which type of color property you are changing to avoid errors. If I want to set a part's BrickColor, I would have to do it like this, whereas if I want to change a part's regular color, I'd have to do it like this. Notice that the BrickColor and color values update when either of them change on this part. If a color 3 value is changed, but it isn't an exact color 3 of a corresponding BrickColor, the property will be set to the nearest BrickColor value to it. The Roblox documentation also has a list of BrickColors, their numerical indexes, and their associated color 3 values. A link is in the description. Changing the colors of parts or other items is a big part of games. If you want to turn on lights, make a disco, change the color of a button, or anything else, you're going to need to know about colors. Thanks for watching, please leave a comment on how you felt on the video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.